So very good evening, friends. Today we are having with us Mohit and Srujana. One more person was here. He just dropped out. No worries. So today we are going to talk about something. Oh, Ishika, please, can you grant me the screen sharing rights?
Granted.
Thank you very much. Yeah, can you see this? Comfort zone. Yeah. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's correct. Right. So today we are going to talk about this comfort zone. Before starting, let me tell you one story. Uh, when I was in corporate world, right, I was working with one of the telecom company, and I was holding a very good position. Life was very good, right? Every month, I used to get a very beautiful message that your account has been credited with this much of amount, right? Beautiful message on every 28th of every month, right? But the life was very monotonous, right? Uh, it was very, I was having a very comfort zone. I was living in my comfort zone, but I was not enjoying that. Though it was very comfortable, but it was not enjoyable. So what I decided to leave the corporate world. I was living at the edge of comfort zone. So I decided to leave the corporate world. And after leaving the corporate world, I spent around 6 to 7 months with my family. I was doing nothing and I was preparing myself for my next inning, which was my passion, the teaching. And believe me, that time was the best time of my life when I started living my dreams. I was planning that to leave the corporate world for a pretty long time, but I was not able to leave that because of certain reasons, because of that comfort zone, because of some, you can say that some easy money was coming. Easy money in the sense that, okay, one fixed amount was coming, a beautiful amount, a handsome amount was coming to my account. And because of that thing, I was not able to take some strong steps, bold steps, some big decision of my life to make myself happy. So that was my comfort zone, and I left that comfort zone. And believe me, when I left that, the growth was different. You know, I was having the different kind of happiness quotient. So, in your opinion, what is your comfort zone? Yeah, what is your comfort zone? Let's discuss. Yes, let's discuss. What is your comfort zone? Yeah, please unmute yourself. Comfort zone. It is. Yeah. Let me have something from you first. What is your comfort zone? Hello. Nothing is coming to your mind. Okay. No worries. Someone wrote something. One message is here. Aditya saying, binge watching Netflix series whole night. Okay. So this is your comfort zone. You enjoy. You just keep on watching this for the entire night. No worries, that's good. So in today's session, what we are going to discuss, I'm going to talk about 4 reasons for not leaving your comfort zone. What are those 4 reasons that you don't want to leave your comfort zone? 5 reasons why you should we step out of this comfort zone, and 11 ways to step out of your comfort zone. What are those 11 steps? So let's go one by one. So what are the 4 reasons? Number 1 is fear of unknown. Fear of unknown. We don't know what will happen if I leave this comfort zone. मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि क्या होगा, इसलिए ये कि जो चल रहा है चलने दो. Let it be. Whatever is happening for God. We don't want to change our lifestyle. We don't. Fear of unknown. पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा. For example, if I ask you, okay, you have to talk to some girl, one boy. For example, I'm asking the Aditya that just go and talk to that girl. Probably fear of unknown. पता नहीं क्या हो जाएगा, क्या बोलेगी वो, क्या सोच सकती है मेरे बारे में, right? Or if I am asking a girl, okay, there is one unknown person, just go and talk to him. पता नहीं क्या सोचोगे. So that fear of unknown is there. When fear of unknown is there, it is something. What you can do is start exploring something which is not familiar. Right? Start taking some baby steps. We will talk about those things later on. So fear of unknown is there. Pata nahi kya ho jayega. I don't know what is going to happen. So because of that reason, we want to remain in that particular zone. For example, you are going to a restaurant. Right? वहां पर एक कोई नई चीज है, डिश आपने देखा. Fear of unknown. You will not try something new. You will always try whatever you were using or you were ordering for a pretty long time in your past. Second is fear of failure. यार अगर मैं फेल हो गया तो what will happen? अगर कोई भी काम है, whatever you are trying to do, for example, you want to appear in some exam, पहले ये होगा कि फॉर्म भरूं कि नहीं भरूं, उससे पहले अगर फेल हो गया तो क्या होगा. So that fear of failure, that is the reason for being into a comfort zone. Third is fear of challenges. यार ये ना अगर मैंने करते हो ज्यादा हो जाएगा. नो, ये तो बहुत चैलेंजिंग काम है. No, I cannot do it. Right? For example, if I am asking you, okay, Aditya, you have to just jump from your roof. नहीं यार बहुत चैलेंजिंग हो जाएगा ये तो. No, not possible. So comfort zone, यहाँ मैं ठीक बैठा हुआ. Right? Yeah. Or okay, if I ask you, okay, वहां से जो थोड़ा नीचे जो एक प्लेटफॉर्म है, उस प्लेटफॉर्म पर आपको कूदना है. नहीं यार अगर गिर गया तो. And then fear of distance means sometimes we set very high goals. Yes, some comfort zones are good. So fear of distance. Okay, for example, I want to reduce my weight. Right now I am 100 kg and I want to reduce it to 60 kg. Oh my God, I have to reduce 40 kg. Few days I will work hard and after that I will stop working. अरे अभी तो कुछ हुआ ही नहीं, 100 ग्राम वजन कम हुआ है, क्या फायदा. 40 किलो तो पता नहीं कब कम. For example, I want to get up early in the morning and normally I get up at, for example, 9 a.m. and I want to get up at 5 a.m. If I will start getting up at 5 a.m., 1 or 2 days, you would be in a position to manage that, but after that you will start having the headache. During the daytime, you will start sleeping. So ना तो रात को सो पा रहे हैं, ना दिन में सो पा रहे हैं, तो करें क्या? What is going to happen? So we keep very high targets. Now, how to achieve this? Yes, we will discuss later on. So, any questions so far? Any question?
Yes, I actually.
one by one, please. Yes. Who is going to first? Anushka and Mohit, you were asking some questions. So, Mohit, go ahead.
Sir, I was not asking the question. I was saying that there is a question in the chat that there
is a question.
are some comfort zones that are good for you.
Some comfort zones are good. Ishika, would you like to explain it?
Actually, that was one comment I made when we talked about Aditya jumping off the roof, because roof is his comfort zone. So I said, I feel that some comfort zones are positive.
Yes. But if I ask him, okay, Aditya, you have to jump from your roof to ground floor, it is something like you are setting very high goal, right? I never said, okay, you have to jump directly from this place.
One floor by one floor.
Yes. You just jump to the first, some platform, then another, then another, then another, then another. Reach to the ground. Yes, Anushka.
In whatever you just said, like jumping from the roof, isn't it like instead of calling it comfort zone, it can be like lack of preparation, because we don't know how we are gonna achieve that. So maybe the reluctance to do something is because we are not prepared for it.
Very true. Because if you see that fear of unknown, fear of failure, fear of challenge, these are something which is related with the lack of knowledge. Right. If you want to talk to someone and you are having the fear of unknown, because what he or she is going to think about you, right? How are they going to respond or react? But if you start knowing that person, after some time, it would be very easy for you. The thing is this, the important point here is this, जो हम लोग सोचते हैं ना जितना बड़ा fear है, वो है नहीं actually. This comfort zone is something which is created by our mind. These boundaries are created by our mind. Right. We should start pushing these boundaries slowly and gradually. Right.
Yes, sir. Sir, can I add something?
Yeah, please, Mohit.
So, sir, according to me, the comfort zone is just the illusion or the barrier that have been created by us only, by unknowingly or unconsciously prioritizing to the advices or suggestions of the other people to place our market value and kind of like behavior and to protect our prestigious and all like that. It is just about the illusion that we create in a manner to like save ourselves, but not attempting anything further. And it is also the illusion that has been created to also like which is you can say damaging us while it is in a loop. For example, अगर मैं सोचता हूँ कि like मैं अपना ये नहीं कर पाऊंगा, तब मेरी मोटिवेशन और अपना सेल्फ डाउट वगैरह भी क्रिएट होने चालू हो जाते हैं, और उसके बाद मैं डाउट वगैरह करने के बाद मैं अपनी बर्थ वगैरह को अपने ही अपना एक तरह से कॉन्शियसली एज वेल एज अनकॉन्शियसली मैं नीचे कर देता हूँ, एंड दैट साइकिल गोस ऑन ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम.
Yes, very true. This is the thing, it is actually illusion. हमें जो लगता है कि ये इतना ज्यादा प्रॉब्लम है, एक्चुअली प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना. हम कोई सब्जेक्ट है, हमें लगता है कि नो दिस सब्जेक्ट इज वेरी टफ, आई एम नॉट एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. बट वंस यू start putting your some efforts, you feel, oh, this is very easy, right? When you start taking some proper guidance, some proper advices, you start feeling, oh wow, this is something which is my liking actually, right? I remember one thing, when I was a student of 10th, biology was not my favorite subject at all. It was it was very scary one for me. And in 12th, 10th, I took a guidance from one of my teacher, and after taking his guidance, it became my favorite subject. Whenever I was in stress और जब भी पढ़ने का मन नहीं होता था, क्या करना था? Let's read bio. Right? And I got distinction in biology. So that became my favorite subject. Earlier it was not at all. It was a scary thing. Okay, यार ये सब बाद में कर लेंगे. I don't want to push my limits. I don't want to push my boundaries. Right? Should we move ahead?
Sir, I want to add more.
Yeah.
सर अभी जैसे कि एक तरह से हम बोलते हैं कि लाइक आई एम इंट्रोवर्ट एंड लाइक दैट, तो सर हम इंट्रोवर्ट एक्चुअली कोई भी नहीं होता. इट्स लाइक कि जैसे कि मैं क्या करता हूँ सर, अगर आप किसी को अपना कंफर्ट जोन से बाहर लाना है, तो आपको बस अपना नॉर्मली उसको अपना थोड़े 5 मिनट के लिए या 10 मिनट के लिए अगर आप उसे अपना फील अच्छा करवा पाओ, तो यू आर कंफर्टेबल विद दैट पर्सन ऑल्सो, एंड देयर इज नथिंग अबाउट द कंफर्ट लाइक दैट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कंफर्ट. यस सर.
Very true.
Can I say something?
Please.
Actually, what does being an introvert have to do with being in your comfort zone? Being an introvert is not like being in your comfort zone. Being an introvert is the person who does not like to socialize with others a lot.
But it is due to the many of the fears that has been caused by the that has been causes by the comfort zone only.
I don't think it's necessary.
I love my company. I love my company. I don't want to talk to others. This is my comfort zone. Right? Because of that reason, I'm introvert. Right? The moment you will ask that person to become extrovert, it is going to be a challenge for that person. And now we want to remove these challenges. The idea is this. Right? For example, one person is extrovert. Right? Now, whenever he or she is meeting with someone, or he is very open to talk to anyone, and he or she will keep on talking and talking and talking. Now the comfort, because he is very much comfortable in that situation. I just love to talk to anyone, whatever he is talking, whether it is he is talking sense or nonsense. It is absolutely different issue. Now the comfort zone challenge is, okay, can you hold you for some time? So that's a challenge for that person to hold him or herself back. Getting my point? The thing is this, whatever I am doing without any effort, I want to push that thing. That is I want to remove that comfort zone.
Okay, sir. So now the real question that I want to ask.
Yes.
For example, sir, I destroy my comfort zone. So I get familiar with all kind of people. But in that, familiarizing with all kind of people and inheriting the traits, good or bad, but I lose my personality in that. So comfort zone is good or bad in that case also. Like what you can say.
The thing is this, we are not talking about the losing the personality. The comfort zone start playing its role when you are not achieving your goals. These are some examples. For example, I'm just coming to you, Anushka,
sure.
right? For example, I want to get the offer letter in the first drive, which is coming to my campus and offering 10 lakh rupees, for example. Right? But I'm not able to do that. Why? There might be some reasons. Right? I have to break those things. For example, I don't want to, I'm not very good in reasoning. Now I have to improve that. My comfort zone is saying, okay, मैं बाद में पढ़ लूँगा. I will discuss this later on because I don't like it. Now I have to push my boundaries. I have to leave that. कि वो tough है, मेरे को समझ में नहीं आता है. But it is my illusion. It is my imposter syndrome, self-doubt कि I cannot do it. Once you will start doing that, you will reach to your goal. मेनली कंफर्ट जोन का जो पर्पस है वो आपका जो गोल है, जो आपका ऑब्जेक्टिव है, जो आपका टारगेट है, उसके बीच में जो ऑब्स्टिकल्स आ रहे हैं उनको रिमूव करना है. एक्चुअली इट इज नॉट लाइक दिस दैट you start losing your personality. No, if you will start losing your personality, makes no sense. For example, if you are introvert and you want to be a salesperson, it's gonna be a challenge for you. Get my point, Mohit?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, was I able to give the answer of your question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Anushka.
I wanted to from Mohit's question only, I got another doubt.
Yeah.
What he said, if a person is an introvert and he feels happy in his own company, now would you call it a comfort zone if that person is happy?
Absolutely.
The thing is this. The thing is this: if he is introvert or she is introvert, right, and he is feeling, actually, you feel good, you feel happy in your comfort zone. Always.
Let's just say that person doesn't want to become a salesperson. He or she already is a librarian at some place.
Then it is
Their
okay.
job-
Then it is okay.
Their job does not require them to go out and socialize, so they can continue with their merry little introvert
Yes.
lifestyle.
As I told you, it is majorly for those
Sir,
persons in
can I
that
add
area.
something? Sir, can I add something or like debate? I want to actually. So, Anushka,
No,
why do you want to be?
we are not
why-
doing the debate. Mohit.
Yes,
Today
sir.
we are not going to do debate.
So
Right?
just
For
a
debate,
counter question or
definitely.
like that. Sir. A counter question or like that. Anushka, why do you want to be an introvert? What are the benefits that you
I
seek?
don't want to be an introvert. I'm not telling my story. I'm just
और like
posing a
कोई भी अगर
question.
introvert है तो वो introvert क्यों रहना चाहता है? What are the reasons of it and benefits of it? Do you find?
They feel happy. They feel satisfied. They want to live life like that. They want to be happy in their own circle. It's
That is what
nature.
comfort zone
People
means.
vary in natures.
Okay. Very good. Very good. I'm happy that you guys are going into details, right? Digging it deeper and deeper and deeper. Thank you very much. Let me move ahead, right? Let's come back to the other points. Right now, I have to share a lot of points with you, right? I'm sure that the moment I will finish up with this, you would be in a position to. Okay. Now, 5 reasons why should we step out of our comfort zone, right? So 5 reasons are: number 1, plethora of opportunities outside the comfort zone. The moment you leave your comfort zone, you will start seeing the opportunities. For example, I'm introvert. मैं घर पे बैठा हुआ हूँ, चुपचाप हूँ. It is something like this कि okay, जो चल रहा है सब ठीक चल रहा है. वो तो फिर ये है कि फिर आप सब छोड़ छाड़ के you just take the माला झोली और start living your life. सब बहुत बढ़िया चल रहा है. It is absolutely fine. But the moment you will leave your comfort zone, you will see that lot of opportunities are there. You will start finding out the growth is beyond your comfort zone. If you don't want to have any growth, it is absolutely okay. Wherever you want to stay, be there, be happy, keep on cribbing about the things, keep on complaining about the things, and you just enjoy. And I was watching one video and one person was telling a story कि एक बार एक बंदा बैठा हुआ था कहीं पर and he saw that one dog is crying like anything. और उसके बगल में उसका मालिक भी बैठा हुआ था. तो उसने उससे पूछा, why your dog is crying and you are not doing anything? Well, actually, where the place where dog is sitting, there is a wooden log, and उसमें एक nail है, और that nail is pricking that dog. तो बोला फिर तो हटा के उन्होंने बोला मैंने इसको हटाया है, कई बार हटाया है, लेकिन फिर जाके वो वहीं बैठ जाता है. Few people, they love to be in the comfort zone. They love to have this kind of habit that they will keep on cribbing about the situation, but they are not ready to leave the comfort zone. They love that pain. Oh, people are giving me attention, some kind of attention. Some attention seekers are there. So you have to leave. By reason, lot of opportunities are there. No growth without the little discontent. जब तक आप छोड़ेंगे नहीं ना अपना जो existing है, you will not get the growth. Challenges promote your brain health. The moment you start pushing your limits, your brain starts working. Yeah, Mohit.
So sir, जैसे कि अगर हम socialize वगैरह और काफी available रहते हैं for the other persons also in that, and उसके बाद हम सोचते हैं कि हमारे गोल को प्रायोरिटी देते हैं और हम we are focusing and indulging on the specific activities and targeting that specific activities and while not socializing that, and like थोड़े से हम कहते हैं कि standards, it's about standards or like that. So sir, isn't it the standards or the goal that has been specific by us is also kind of a comfort zone that we are seeking in a certain manner to achieve our goal?
No. The thing is this, whenever we are achieving our goal, you keep on changing your goals all the time.
Yes, sir.
Right? Once you achieve your goal, then you set another goal, then you set another goal. For example, your goal is to become a cyber expert, cyber security expert. Right.
Yes.
So your first goal is to get the good internship or the good, first job in one company where you can start learning the cyber security hacks and other things. Right. Then your next goal is going to be something different. Then next goal is going to be different. For example, your end objective of your calling of your life is something different. Right. And if you are satisfied at one particular place, you are developing your comfort zone. And then your progress, your growth, it stops. Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So when you push your comfort zone, you challenge your brain, you challenge your mind. Boss, please do something different. Right? For example, very, very simple technique. Just start trying, doing that, your brushing of your teeth from your non-power hand. It will require a lot of efforts. है ना? वो बालों पड़ा स्लिप करके वो गम में कहीं अंदर घुस जाएगा जो आपका ब्रश है. राइट? आप अपने नॉन पावर हैंड से कुछ और लिखने की कोशिश करिए. Would you be able to write the way you write from your power hand? No.
No, sir, because of lack of you can say muscle memory.
Yes. So when you will start using your non-power hand, what you are going to do, you are going to use the other side of your brain working. So you challenge yourself, it promotes your brain health. And then you will learn new things and you will move out of your comfort zone. Right? For example, you take one definite route from your home to your college or to your workplace on the daily basis. And you are going, to and fro on the daily basis, same route. But one day you find that, lot of traffic jam is there, this chock-a-block. Now you have to change the route. Now what you are doing, you are shaking your comfort zone. You will start becoming panic. Oh my God, ab kahan se jayenge? Kaun sa rasta hai? I have not seen the route. But when you start challenging yourself, you will start finding the new things. You will start learning new things. कि मेरे को दूसरे रास्ते से जाना है. I'll tell you one very, very small example. हमारे जो पार्किंग है वो बेसमेंट में पार्किंग है. एक तरफ से एंट्री है, दूसरी तरफ से एग्जिट है. एक बार जो एंट्री थी वो वहां पर उन्होंने ब्लॉक कर दिया because of some repair was going on. So what I did, I took the another route. So I entered from the exit point. और वहां जिस रूट से मैं रोज निकलता था, मैं आज एंटर वहां से हुआ that day, and it was like that, I am at some other planet. My mind was not adjusting to that route. And I actually forgot which is my parking, which is my slot, because whenever I was taking the entry route, it was okay. I was, it was automated kind of thing. कि यहाँ से जाना है, बस यहाँ पे जाके गाड़ी लगा लेनी. But next day, it was the different. So you start learning new things, and failure is success. Actually, when you fail, you learn new things. that is the base for your success. That is the stepping stone for your success. Failure is not the opposite of the success, it is the part of the success. Normally we assume this thing, right?
Yes.
What happens, बचपन में क्या होता है, जब बच्चा एक बार गिरता है वो फिर खड़ा होता है, फिर चलता है, फिर गिरता है, फिर खड़ा होता है, फिर चलता है, फिर गिरता है, फिर कम से कम वो 100 बार गिरता है जिससे पहले वो प्रॉपरली स्टेप्स लेना शुरू करता है, कॉन्फिडेंट स्टेप्स. लेकिन जैसे ही हम बड़े हो जाते हैं, अगर एक बार गिर जाते हैं तो इमीडिएटली वी स्टार्ट हैविंग द इम्पोस्टर सिंड्रोम. चल भी नहीं सकता क्या? Get up and start moving. It is absolutely okay. If you are trying something new and if you are getting the failure, it is absolutely okay. That is the part of the journey. Get up and move on. Get up and move on. हाँ, एक प्लेसमेंट ड्राइव में नहीं हुआ, okay, it is absolutely fine. Next placement drive, right? That will give you the clues. What are your areas of improvement, right? Now let's come to the important part. Everything was important. 11 ways. Number one, I put it here deliberately. Put your devices down. All the time. Achha, okay, tell me one thing. If I ask you, just uninstall Instagram, Facebook from your mobile phone right now. Uninstall Instagram and Facebook, Twitter, social media accounts from your phone. How many of you are ready and you are not going to install them again? How many of you? Only 2 hands are there. Mohit and Ishika.
नहीं सर, मैं
Anushka का अब आया है. Okay. Right. It is something what we are very much comfortable with that. We are very much comfortable spending time on these social medias. We spend 3, 4, 5 hours on the daily basis for nothing. We are just poking our nose into the affairs of others. भाई तू क्या कर रहा है? Okay, तूने क्या post डाली? तूने क्या किया? तूने क्या? We are most of us are content consumers. How many of you are creating contents?
Sir, as we are seeking attraction kind of and affection and seeking happiness in it, to find a way.
That is the comfort zone. That is the comfort zone. That is the comfort zone. We are just finding the pseudo happiness. Right? Whenever we are posting some material, you will find number of thumbs ups are there. But believe me, if you have written some text, hardly 1% people read that. That is the comfort zone. We want to leave that. That is the purpose. Right? So if you want to leave your comfort zone, number one is put your devices down. Identify, embrace, and conquer your fear. What is your fear? Okay, let's talk about fear. Good one. Yeah. Anushka, what is your fear? One fear. Anything.
Material
Any
fears
fear.
or philosophical fears or psychological fears?
Anyone.
Pity, I think being in a pitiful condition.
That's the fear.
Yeah.
Okay, or that's the comfort zone.
That's the fear, actually, because I have been in that state and I was not really fond of it, so that's a fear. I don't want to be in that state anymore.
कि कोई मेरे ऊपर दया करेगा, कोई मेरे ऊपर कहेगा अरे बेटा कोई बात नहीं, क्या हुआ, what happened, है ना? तो अगर ऐसा हो भी गया तो क्या हो जाएगा? है, हम भी तो छोटे बच्चों को 85 बार बोलते हैं बेटा कोई बात नहीं, गिर गया तो क्या हो गया, लग गई ना, इट इज ओके, गेट अप. क्या हुआ, बच्चे को लग गई.
It depends on the magnitude of the situation कि वो fearsome है या नहीं.
So embrace those fears and conquer those fears. start loving those fears. होगा तो देखा जाएगा, जो होगा सो कोई बात
Just
नहीं. It
wait
is
a
absolutely
minute.
fine.
What if I had said snakes?
Yeah, so that is okay.
Would you have told me
There
to
are
embrace
lot of
snakes?
yes. There means that try to understand about try to get the knowledge about that fear first. I'm not going to tell you to just go and just grab a snake. Right? Try to get the knowledge about the snake. What is the reason? Why they are venomous? Right? Every snake is not dangerous. It is our fear. Right? Because of that fear, you will see that a lot of people they keep lion as their pet. They are also human being. So here the thing, and some people, for example, they are afraid of little puppy. Right?
And sir, they are actually not afraid, but they are just in the you can say perception or illusion that if you will bite or it would be hurtful, so much hurtful or painful.
Yes. The thing is this, for example, there are lakhs and lakhs of dogs, right? And one dog, उसने तुम्हें काट लिया. One dog bites you. Now, what is our perception? That fear is the comfort zone. Right? What is that? Or yes, means all dogs are furious. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है. है ना? मेरे घर में when I was having a pet, that was the Tibetan Mastiff. Huh? 80 kg weight, almost 5 feet 4 inches उसकी height और वो सब चीजें. Big dog. But that was very lovable to me, to the entire family. So embrace your fear. क्या है, जो भी है, कुछ नहीं है, कोई कुछ नहीं होता, है ना? मैंने आप लोगों को एक बार दिखाया था, जैसे हम लोग, या अनुष्का,
What if the fear stems from a trauma?
Baba, the thing is this, that we should learn about that. है ना? For example,
can I say something?
मुझे मेरे एक मिनट, just a minute. When I was in college, students used to say he is the most खड़ूस person in the college. है ना? लेकिन एक्चुअली जिन लोगों ने मुझे समझा, जब मुझसे बात की, then they realized कि नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. इसके पास जाओ तो यार, he is the most helpful person in the college. The thing is this, that lack of knowledge about anything will create fear or any other doubt. Once you are aware about that, it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay.
So can I say something?
Let's move on. Yeah, please wait.
Yeah. So Anushka, my point is that अगर वो trauma से भी है, so what? Are you happy? Like if you die like after several months, अगर आप उस चीज को, उस trauma या आपका fear को आप दूर नहीं करना चाहोगे before time, चाहे वो trauma की वजह से है, but it is not that, ना?
Mohit, can we discuss it some other time at length?
Okay.
I will remember to note it down and let's discuss it some other day.
Definitely, we will.
Do one thing. Do one thing. Next time we are going to have debate or the discussion on this topic.
For sure, sir.
Right? Right. So next is that, take baby steps. Start taking baby steps. Right? For example, I gave you the example of that, you get up at 9 a.m. and you want to get up at 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. Right? Don't just put your alarm at 6 a.m. or 5 a.m. 9 बजे उठते हो, keep it at 8:30 or 8:45, 15 मिनट, 2-3 दिन करो, फिर उसके बाद धीरे धीरे reduce करते चले जाओ, and within 1 month or 2 months you would be in a position to get up at 4 a.m. or 5 a.m. whatever. Right? So start taking baby steps and stay positive. क्या दिक्कत है, कुछ तो होगा. Let's start pushing. ज्यादा से ज्यादा क्या होगा? We will fail. So please start pushing your comfort zone. Realize your strength. What is your strength? Normally, the problem is this: we don't realize our strength, what we can do. Quit overthinking and remain dedicated. We think a lot, we do very less. हम सोचते बहुत ज्यादा हैं, करते बहुत कम है. Ideally, it should be the reverse one. करो बहुत ज्यादा, सोचो बहुत कम. थोड़ा सा सोचा मुझे करना है, let's start doing that. है ना? अगर ऐसा हो गया तो क्या होगा, अगर वैसा हो गया तो क्या होगा. No need to think about that. Right? Change in
But
your
it is like
daily routine.
we are brave. सर बट अगर हमें ये हमारी गलती भी नहीं मानूंगा मैं, एक तरह से एजुकेशन सिस्टम की मानूंगा. लाइक हम जब 10th में होते हैं, बेटा पढ़ ले आगे क्या होगा, फिर फ्यूचर वगैरह. लाइक
वो डिफरेंट, बिल्कुल all together different ball game.
Yes.
Yes.
But it is a
बिल्कुल
base of
डिफरेंट है, क्योंकि या तो यही है कि हम लोग सोचते बहुत ज्यादा हैं. यस, और जो फीडिंग है वो डिफरेंट है. बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजन ओनली नाउ यू शुड हैव अ करियर कोच विद यू, राइट, हु कैन एक्चुअली टेल यू. क्योंकि मम्मी पापा और जो अड़ोसी पड़ोसी उतना ही तो बताएंगे जितना उन्होंने देखा है, जितना उन्होंने सुना है. दे आर नॉट मास्टर इन देयर फील्ड. वेरी सिंपल, राइट. सो चेंज इन योर डेली रूटीन. ओके, डेली रूटीन, यस. कभी कभी कुछ भी नहीं करना है. आज मेरे को कुछ नहीं करना है. मेरा डेली रूटीन सुबह 5 बजे उठ के जाके साइकिलिंग करने का होता है. ओके, टुडे आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू डू साइकिलिंग. दैट्स ओके. मैं रोज आना क्लॉकवाइज उसमें सोसाइटी में साइकिलिंग करता हूँ. टुडे आई एम गोइंग टू हैव द एंटी क्लॉकवाइज रूट. राइट, मैं कॉलेज इस रास्ते से जाता हूँ, आज मैं दूसरे रास्ते से जाऊंगा या लौट के दूसरे रास्ते से आऊंगा. मैं डेली आई कीप ऑन रीडिंग द बुक. टुडे आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू रीड पेपर book. Today I am going to read online stuff. So keep on changing your daily routine. Learn new things on the daily basis. Yes, you will. The moment you start learning something, it will help you out to develop your growth mindset, right? And delegate the task. कई बार थोड़े थोड़े से टास्क जो डेलीगेट भी करना शुरू कर दो, so that you would be in a position to do something different. कि अरे सारे काम मैं ही करता हूँ, मैं ही करता रहूंगा, रोता रहूंगा, चीखता रहूंगा, परेशान होता रहूंगा, राइट, और फिर सबको गाली देता रहूंगा, बट आई एम नॉट वर्किंग. सो नो, स्टार्ट डेलीगेटिंग सम टास्क एज वेल, राइट. वॉलंटियर योरसेल्फ फॉर सम गुड कॉज. बिलीव मी, इट विल गिव यू अ डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव, राइट, इफ यू आर वॉलंटियरिंग योरसेल्फ फॉर सम गुड कॉज, राइट. इफ यू आर टीचिंग समवन, you are doing some charity, something, you are doing some physical work, right, for without any cost, something, and do one thing every day that scares you. Do one thing every day. I don't like to eat fruits, for example. Okay, I will start having few bites on the daily basis, right? So start doing something which scares you. Means when you will start doing that, you will find, okay, you are increasing your understanding about that, and you would be out of your comfort zone, your fear. Actually, यार ये मेरे को डर लगता है, क्यों मैं I don't want to do it, right? So these are the 11 ways by which you can remove your comfort zone. These are some of the ways. Actually, there are number of ways. हर एक बंदे के लिए different हो सकता है, कर सकते हैं हम लोग, but these are some of the ways. Now over to you guys. A lot of chats.
So sir, we can remove comfort zone करने के लिए हम बहुत सारे ले सकते हैं. For example, trusting us. And हम अगर manliness की बात करें तो मैं अपना McTow theories वगैरह, we can follow that part also. And also not like focusing on the other perspective and other person perspective and suggestions or like that also. And moreover, we can just like forget everything and leave everything and just do it now, and the comfort zone will like disappear at that moment of time.
Yes, जो एक हम लोगों का एक बहुत बड़ा वो है ना, we think a lot. before starting anything. We just start doing the dissection of every problem. Finally, what happens? Okay, let's don't do it, because it is going to have a lot of problems. Everywhere you will find problem. The moment you will start pushing your limits, you will find something different.